Hey my gorgeous people, I'm taking my stippling brush and I'm gonna run that under the water, and I'm just gonna use any bar of soap that I have at home. You can use any soap that you have. Usually people use shampoo and I used to do that, but now I start using soap because I have lots of brushes and I can't sit and apply shampoo to each and every brush. So I thought, why not use a bar of soap, so it gets off all the foundation like you can see. And this is a brush egg that I got from Amazon. This is for rupees 350. So this is quite inexpensive. It's a texturized brush egg, so you can see all the bumps that are there on it. So this is very helpful guys, very helpful to clean all the gunks and makeup that you have sitting in there. As you can see, that's why this is so helpful. I saw Catholic video on how she clean her brushes, so I thought, well, this is so helpful, so I ordered this. It proved to be really helpful. I used to be very lazy at one point and I used to clean my brushes once in a month, and then I realized that it's wrong. You need to do it every 2 weeks, and now I do it every 2 weeks. You have to wash your brushes girls, because if you not, the makeup is going to be sitting in there, plus it's gonna grow bacteria, and when you apply on your face, so bacteria is gonna transfer, resulting is number of skin problems, and that you don't want to happen. Just run it through your brush one last time, and until you see a white level like this, how squeaky clean that is. And now I'm taking this flat foundation brush, which I used every single day, and it's filled with foundation. This is probably my most useful brushes. It's getting right in the root of the brushes. It helps to remove all the gunk and dirt it has. Dirt as a makeup, you know what I mean. I washed my brushes every 2 weeks. So yeah, I'm just repeating the process for every brush that I have in my collection. Thank you Kathleen Lights for showing me such an amazing brush egg. Foundation brushes really get dirty because that's one you use every single day. And you guys can use any bar of soap. I don't know why people go for expensive, because it does the same job. So here I'm taking my eyeshadow brush and it's filled with color, and I'm just gonna get that squeaky clean. So you can take any conditioner that you have at your home. I'm taking this ginger and sesame butter conditioner and coat every single brush with it. So it's like your hair, you're gonna wash it and then you're gonna condition it, so it's remains soft and smooth. And you just gonna let sit for 10 to 15 minutes. The more you let sit, the more soft it becomes. And I'm gonna run through it the water. I'm just gonna clean out the conditioner. So after that, you just let it be outside the sun. And yeah, there you have it, clean squeaky brushes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you wanna see next. And love you so much guys.